this is Natasha from Tully Park. Today I'm going to be showing you a few of my favorite Dollar Tree DIY projects for Valentine's Day that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy this video. As we approach the season of love, it's always good to spread a little love, even for a reasonable price. So these are all my items that I'll be using today for my different projects. I have my window clings. I have my Valentine's Day clothespins, which are so cute. I also have my candles. And then I see these little accessories like table scatters and like the foam sticker hearts that I really love. So our first project up, we're going to take our window clings and we're just going to stick it to the plain glass to spice up our candles. And this is for my pet lovers. You just want to make it really decorative and really Valentine's Day-ish. And it's really cute and really simple and very quick. Very quick. These are the final results. I did 2 different candles. And I just took the little hearts that was on the window cling and I just dressed it up even more. So we're going to move on to our next project and we're going to make a love note board. Really cute and simple. So what I'm doing, I'm taking this wooden heart that I got from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just removing the string because I don't want to get the string messed up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray paint my heart. Remember to spray away. You don't want to be so heavy on the spray paint. I found these little Valentine Day clothespins, which is really cute. So what I'm doing, I'm just placing them on my heart. So as I stated now, I'm just taking the clothespins and I'm just positioning them into where I'm going to use my hot glue stick to permanently put them down on the heart. You want to give them space because you don't want your notes touching each other. So I wanted to create this love note board because in our present time with everything going on in the world, everybody needs a little love. So I found these cute love Valentine's Day notepads, which I just thought was so adorable. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to take one out of the pack, and I'm just going to take one and I'm going to clothespin it at the bottom, and I'm going to let that be the base. Or when I want to leave my loved ones a note, I can just snatch one out of there and hang it to the other clothespin. So what I'm going to use now is my silver metallic Sharpie, and I'm just going to write the words love note on the wooden heart. I use silver because I wanted the heart to pop even more, and I think that it would just look amazing. So right now I'm just going to reattach the string by putting them back. And if you want to spice up the heart, if it's not enough for you, what I'm doing now, I'm just adding little decorations to the outsides of the heart so you can make it pop even more. This is a final look of the heart. Really simple. You can do with the kids really quick. Doesn't take a lot at all. And it comes out really good. So our last project, we're going to make Valentine's Day candy dishes. I'm using these plastic planter containers I got from Dollar Tree. I think they're really cute. So what I'm doing now is spray painting the both cherry red. Remember to spray away. You don't be so heavy on the spray paint because it takes a long time to dry. So I let it dry, but it wasn't all the way dry to my liking, so I just placed it on top of a paper plate. So now what I'm doing, I'm taking my foam stickers and I'm just gonna decorate my candy dish. So you can put it all over, you could just put it at the top. You can do whatever to your liking. It's all about what you want your project to look like. So this is the final look of the candy dish. It's really simple, really cute. So all of the projects are really simple and easy to do. Here's a final look at all 3 of our wonderful projects. All 3 projects, all items only cost me $12. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this activity and are looking for more things to do while at home, stay connected and check out more activities with my colleagues on YouTube and at www.chicagoparkdistrict.com. See you soon.